What are we going to do?
We can rebuild him. We have the technology.
Okay. Patrick. Chanel. Trinity. Marist. Marist.
Marist?
Marist? Marist?
Marist?
Maris?
What are we going to do?
Wait.
I'm so depressed. I came from McEvedy High School end of 2003. We lost the Rugby World Cup. Intercept pass, not not scored, all cut dreams gone. Left McEvedy High School, a skateboard school, a loser school. Come to Silverstreams. I thought I'd be awesome. I heard we had McEvedy. Since then we haven't. I'm so depressed. We need to get our act together. My life was fulfilled. Do the small things of my life to get through this depression. Go home on a Friday night. Hold hands with a wife on the couch. Talk to the children, but that's depressing. We need to win McEvedy. I'm still depressed. And then I saw the light. No, it wasn't light. It was Francis Hogan, a year 11 student from last year. My year 12 student this year. A bogan from Upper Hutt. He has given me vision. Francis is the reason why I live. Now I have hope for the school. McEvedy, if we have hope, passion, commitment, dedication, we can do it if we want to. We can win the shield back. McEvedy, we can win McEvedy and come for passion. Go the Streamers!
Running shoes, $120. Spandex, $80. Artificial track. Hugh Steele's face when we win McEvedy. Priceless. some things money can't buy. For everything else, there's MasterCard.
All the best for McEvedy. I feel more we do than here.
Yeah!